Azad 7200 WP steam engine, built in 1947 by Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia, USA, Azad was brought to India after independence. The bullet-nosed WP locomotive was the mainstay of broad-gauge passenger train operations of the Indian Railways for a long time, till 1995. Thereafter, the heritage steam loco was revived by a committed railway team.